everyone.
Hello.
Hope you're all okay.
Yeah,
We're off on another motorhome adventure.
we are.
So come with us and see where we end up. See you when we get there.
Bye for now.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hope you're all okay. Well, we've arrived at Carsington Water Campsite and we've just set up. There's Tony and Archie.
Just having a quick
Oh, he's turning his back. Look, Archie is.
Yeah, you having a scratch on?
Yeah, you'll have to excuse my voice because I've got a very croaky voice at the moment. I've had a sore throat and it's turned into, I suppose you call it laryngitis, do you?
Could be.
So it's slowly getting better. Anyway, I'll just show you what pitch we're on.
Yes, you can choose your pitch on this site. So we decided to pitch up here.
Yeah.
Got the place as any?
Yeah, and then we're going to go on the dog walk, Archie, aren't we?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's listening. We're going to walk, aren't we, in a minute?
Yeah.
Show everybody the dog walk. So I'll just go outside. So this is our pitch here. Well, I'm ever so sorry about my voice, but I can't do much about it. We're on the end, which is quite nice. There's the van. Looks a bit mucky, doesn't it? Pitch, oh, we're on pitch number 93. Electric's just there. Behind us we've got, I'm going to show you, I think it's an Elson Point. Go round this way. Yeah, Elson Point just there. We've got wastewater and we've got drinking water just here. So that's good, we haven't got far to go. And then there's no bins now apparently on the site. They've had to take them all off site, so to empty anything you've got to walk down to where the reception is. But we've got to go down there now because we've got to go and tell them what number pitch we're on. So we're more or less at the top of the site. It's beautiful. Can hear the birds. Let me be quiet. Just hear them in the background. Typical, when I stop talking they stop whistling. So anyway, we'll show you a little bit more when we're out on our walk. Right, this is the facilities block. We have actually got a dog park here. So this is where you can tie your dogs up or hook the leads up while you're going to use the facilities. Gents' toilets here, drinking water, wastewater, family washroom just here, dishwashing area. That's quite nice. Oh, blimey, there's a lot of dishwashing areas. Ooh, some herbs, little herb garden. The ladies are here.
We're on the dog walk, and there's a convenient bench here, so we're just having a breather.
Yes.
And admiring the view.
Look at that.
And there is the reservoir.
That's Carsington Reservoir.
Yeah. So hopefully we'll be walking around there tomorrow, maybe.
Try and go a bit closer, because the GoPro doesn't always pick it up very well at a distance. And I suppose it brings you along there somewhere, and then it takes you up to the reservoir. So that'll be the way that you would obviously bike or walk it there.
Yeah.
So at least we know now how to get there. I think Tony's going to do it on his bike, see how long it takes him.
Do a reconnaissance trip.
And then double it to see if we can walk it. I'm sure we can. Yeah.
If it's 4 miles, it takes us an hour.
Yeah, wow.
4 miles per hour.
Yeah. It's lovely though, it's really pretty. And it's a nice day today, isn't it?
Yes.
Archie's having a wonderful time, sniffing around. Watch you don't fall off the edge here.
Of grass.
Yeah. So, anyway, we're going to continue on the dog walk.
All the pictures are in this beautiful pine tree forest.
Yes.
Yeah.
And a lot of the pine trees have all been stripped, haven't they? Archie, where are you going? We're going this way. Yeah, the lower branches have all been stripped off, so it's only the foliage is at the top of the trees. So your van's not sort of covered over by trees, are you?
No, you're not. You're not
oh, look at these logs, Tony says. Look at these logs.
They're no good though.
No, the pine, you can't burn pine. Well, you can burn it, but not on our log burner.
See the sailing, the yacht club.
Yep.
In the distance there. Yeah, they've been busy cutting branches.
Yes, they've been clearing it, haven't they?
Yeah. But it's a very pleasant walk. Where's your bag? It's normally on the back of your back.
Oh God, Tony, I bet I've left it on the jet.
Oh God.
Oh no, I'll go back and fetch it.
No, don't worry, I'll go and fetch it.
Oh God. Oh no.
I think it's on the bench.
Hopefully. I've left my handbag behind. And it's a haversack, and I was going to put it on my back. And then I was filming the lake. And then we've set off. So not only do we leave a stool behind, I leave my handbag. Tony's gone back anyway, so hopefully he brings it back. Here he comes, and he's got my handbag, thank goodness for that. Was it still on the chair?
Do you like my new bag?
It was still on the chair?
Oh, yeah, nobody's pinched it.
That's good then. Thank you very much.
Gee, that was lucky.
It was lucky, wasn't it?
God.
Trust me, it's got my purse in it and everything.
What you like?
Well, I was up filming, wasn't I? You would have sat on the bench. Never mind.
Never mind, you've got it now.
Oh dear, oh dear.
There's always a drama.
There's always a drama. Some bluebells, late bluebells. It's very up and down, isn't it, Tony? It's like coming up a mountain. Look at little Archie. Bit steep, Archie.
Come on, Archie, you can do it.
Way, good boy.
Oh.
So we're nearly at the top.
Yeah, it's up and down this path.
You have to watch what you're doing as well, because there's lots of roots, isn't there, across the path.
Yeah.
I think we're still going up higher. It's a nice view. You alright, Arch? Panting a bit, he's having a breather. Caution, steep bank.
Yeah, it is steep.
You can just see the campsite through the trees, and they're very low down. I don't know whether that looks steep to you on the video, but it is very steep. Right, we're coming down now, back down the hill. And I think when yeah, it's steep. There's a little gateway here, and it leads out onto a lane. Where it actually goes, don't know. There's a little lane there, look.
I bet that goes to that farm. That road.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Mm.
Possibly. Yeah.
Continue round.
There's plenty of dog bins.
Yeah.
Dog walk.
Yep, there's our van.
So we're coming in a large circle.
Yeah, we've done a sort of a...
Eclipse.
Yeah, we haven't gone
Elliptical
right
shape.
round it, have we? Because
No, because
the reception's further
if we'd have
down.
taken the left lane, it would have come out
Further
the
down.
bottom here, yes.
That's good then, isn't it? We're back. I need a cup of tea again. I think it's because my voice is husky. I need something to soothe it.
Here we are, back at the ranch.
Oops, that just hit Archie's nose. Poor little soul.
Jump.
Go on, Arch. There he is, back in the van. Can I have the step? Stay there. I'm coming in. Go on. In you go. Archie. There we go. Oh, it's warm in here.
A really nice walk.
Yeah,
A bit steep in places.
it is. Very steep in places. So,
Very picturesque.
you know, if you're not very good on your feet,
No. But
it
you've
would
got,
be a struggle, wouldn't it?
but you've got good views of the lake.
Yeah,
on the way
fantastic
round.
views, yeah. And the other thing is the routes, isn't there, across the pathway.
Yes, so you've got to be careful not to trip up.
Yeah, and then there's some steep cliff drops.
Yes.
So it wouldn't be any good, I don't think, at night, would it?
No, I won't like to do it at night.
No.
Unless
It
you've
is
got
nice, though.
a powerful torch.
Oh, I need to sit down a minute. Just sit down, chuck the coats off. Sit down, eh, Archie? You're coming up here.
We're worn out.
We
We're
are.
worn
Come on then.
out.
Hurry up, come. Let's have you on film. There you go. Right, so we're going to get the kettle on now, aren't we? Yes? Get the kettle on.
Get that kettle on.
We might be having fish and chips. We were going to have pasta tonight. Pesto pasta. We brought pasta with us. But there's a fish and chip van coming tonight on pitch, what was it, 62?
62.
So, what time did she say? I forgot now.
6:30.
6:30. Yeah, so I think we're having fish and chips. That'll be good, won't it, Arch? And then tomorrow, what did she say? Pizza.
Pizza.
I'm not bothered about pizza. Are you? Or you would be.
Well,
Yeah.
I don't know.
So,
Oh, we brought food.
yeah, we brought food, but it doesn't matter, does it?
It doesn't
Because sometimes we go to places and there's nothing on the site, so you've got to bring food with you, haven't you? But if there's Fish and chips, eh, Arch?
Fish and chips. We had fish and chips last time at Overbrook.
Oh, does it matter? That was 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So, anyway, we'll end it here. I'm going to get the kettle on now.
I've got the kettle on.
Oh, he's got the kettle on. That's good.
I'm ahead of schedule.
And we'll see you again shortly. Bye for now.